Welcome to World of Lighthouse. If you're passionate about lighthouses and want to know all about their history, salaries, and job opportunities worldwide, you're in the right place. Make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Lighthouses have always fascinated people with their history, mystery, and the idea of living in isolation with the sea as a companion. Today, we have some exciting news. Someone has been selected for a lighthouse job in Iceland. This is a dream job for many who love peace, adventure, and the beauty of the ocean. Iceland, known for its stunning landscapes and powerful lighthouses, offers unique job opportunities in this field. But getting selected is not easy. It requires skills, dedication, and the ability to handle solitude. The selection process for Icelandic lighthouse jobs is often rigorous. Candidates must be comfortable with remote locations, have knowledge of basic maintenance, and sometimes even first aid and survival skills. The person who got selected must have met all these requirements and impressed the authorities. But what does this job actually involve? A lighthouse keeper in Iceland is responsible for maintaining the light, ensuring it operates smoothly, and sometimes handling minor repairs. In some cases, they also have to monitor weather conditions and report any maritime issues. While many modern lighthouses are automated, some still require human supervision, especially in extreme weather conditions. One of the biggest attractions of this job is the peace it offers. Imagine waking up to breathtaking ocean views, with the sound of waves and seagulls as your daily soundtrack. However, it's not just about the beauty. Winters can be harsh, and isolation can be challenging. That's why only a few people